can begin barefoot. This is grounding your body. Reaching up overhead, clasping your hands, push out. Opening the spine, coming back up. Pushing out. Up and out. Push up as high as you can. Side bending. Arms open. Fly down. Feel your scapula coming right off of your rib cage as you open your arms real wide. Opening up the joints, opening up the spine, and waking up the body. One hand goes up, reaches up, down the side of your body. The other hand turning your whole body. So if you're just tracing the lines of your aura. Wide stance, elbows by the hips. Push and turn. Nice twist, the knees are slightly bent. And lift your heel as you turn your body. Arms by your side. Twist and turn. Your back leg is bent. The front leg is straight. And you're sitting back. A nice stretch to the calf. Do that a couple of times on each side. Stretch to the hips and the legs. Arms by your side, elbows tucked in, wide squat. Push. You're not turning your body the whole way this time, just pushing to the side. Now to the front. This is horseback ride punch. Pulling the energy back in as your palms open up to return to your hips. Here you're opening up the sacroiliac joints. Opening up the sacrum, so you're leaning slightly to the left, to the right, to the front, to the back. Just in all directions, and then you change sides, and then feet together, hands just above knees. From one side to the other, straight up as you come back. Good. It's left, right, or right, left. Just make sure you're coming back. And now with the ball of your foot pressing into the earth, you're rotating your ankle one direction and then the other. Opening up the joints of your ankles. The joints are where the energy flows through, and it can get caught here, so you want to get all these joints open, pushing up to the sky, cleansing the aura, pulling the energy up from the earth, reaching up to the sky, opening up, cleansing the aura. Imagine that white light coming down, ending with gratitude.